In this video, we are going to look at the Shein affiliate program plus a few different ways to make money. This video is a part of a larger series where every Friday we take a look at different affiliate programs. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. And if you want your location added to the globe behind me, simply reply with your city, state, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, as I mentioned in this video, we are going to take a look at the Shein affiliate program. I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day with this different affiliate program. There are tons of opportunities that are out there, and so I want to help you get up and running. Now, first things first, what is Shein? It is a women's and kids and men's, it primarily focuses on women, clothing and apparel shop where people can buy clothes and find pretty good discounts, I would assume, or I would believe. Shein is probably most well known for their clothing. They have added other things, but what's more importantly is we're going to talk about how you can make money with this affiliate program. Now, as you can see, Shein is partnered with these different affiliate networks: ShareSale, Commission Junction, Pepper Jam, Awin, and more. Now, if we take a look at the Commission Junction affiliate network, and just a side note, an affiliate network is the third party that works with affiliate marketers and affiliate programs. They're responsible for the commission payouts, the affiliate links, and any other marketing materials that you need. As you can see over here on Commission Junction, they will pay a 10% commission, so 10% on the sales that you've earned when people click on your affiliate link. And there is a 30-day cookie window, which is a pretty good length of time considering this is for physical products. So I like that they are they're paying pretty well, especially compared to Amazon and some of the other places like that. And they have a pretty good cookie window. So all good things to keep in mind when you are promoting it. Now, you want to make sure that you are promoting it to the correct countries. You can see there is a list of maybe 10 to 15 areas that they allow people to promote. And so you can see that as an opportunity. Also, it has category women. So I'm not sure if that means that you would only earn affiliate commissions for women's clothing, or that's just the category that they started with and that should be changed to apparel. So good background information for you to know if you want to get started. Now, more importantly, let's talk about all the ways that you could make money with this affiliate program. One of the best ways, and I'm going to use both YouTube and TikTok as examples, are different try-on hauls. So if you buy a bunch of stuff from Shein and you are an affiliate for them, you can just type in Shein try-on haul. And what you could do, as you can see here, Shein try-on haul fall, haul plus size, haul black girl, swimsuit. There's lots of opportunities. But if we just click this first one here, Shein try-on haul, we can take a look and we can see that almost 1 million views, over 1 million views, 61,000 views, 2.5 million views from simple try-on hauls. Now, this is interesting. $1,000 Shein try-on haul. So she spent $1,000 at this company, and now she's showing you what she made. Now, if we look at this, we can do the exact same thing over on YouTube, and you can see that there are lots of opportunities. So if we hit the space bar here, you can see that back to school would have been a great one. Summer, thick girl, plus size, and so on. But if we just hit hit enter here, you can see that there are lots of different opportunities for try-on hauls. You can see these people have lots of subscribers, but look at this one, 216,000 views, only 9,000 subscribers. So channels big and small can take advantage of this. He's a male, so that might actually be why that there's such a discrepancy there. But you can see that this is one of the best places to go. Another thing that you can do is we can come back over here and we could say, we can do like best dresses. We come back here and we can type in best dresses. And if we look at this, best dresses from Shein like this, hit enter, and you're going to see once again there's lots of opportunity here to create this content. 43,000 views from 3 months ago, 118,000 views. Look at this one, 68,000 views, 843 subscribers. So once again, you do not need to be a large mega super channel in order to get traffic. Okay, 68,000 views. If even just 1% purchased a product, you could see a decent amount of money. Another thing that we can do is we can say best dresses under. So best dresses under $500. We could go find a list of the dresses over at this website. All of these dresses are affordably priced, and we could even do something like best dresses under, let's do best dresses under $50 like this. Hit enter and put together a list of the 5 or 10 best dresses, and you can get traffic. You can see here 44,000 views, 124,000 views, 768,000 views, but simply with best dresses under $50. But what you could do, and what I recommend that you do, is pick a niche and stay within that niche. If you're going to create content for women, stay there. If you're going to create content for kids, home, beauty, whatever it is, stay there. Another thing that people love to do is they love to, let's just grab this dress right here. They love to enter in the name of the product right into search engine. So if we copy this like that and we paste it right into YouTube, you're going to see that people are looking up this exact dress. We're going to hit enter there, and we can provide a review on that dress, things that you like, things that you didn't like. And one of the best ways to go is simply to just talk about products that you've purchased. So if you've purchased products from this website, you can do this. You don't have to purchase the products, but you can see there's opportunity. Now, if we look here, there's a pretty good amount of search volume and very low competition. So you could create a video here on this type of dress, and you could start getting traffic instantly. Now look at this one, 14,000 views, 228 subscribers, 18,000 views, 2,000 subscribers. So these channels are either not monetized or barely monetized, and you can see traffic. Look at this, Shein haul plus coupon code, 396 subscribers, 2.2 thousand views. A lot of people complain about getting views and everything's too saturated and too competitive. But if we look at this, a huge Shein basics, 51,000 views, 2,000 subscribers. You don't have to be this huge mega channel. We can just type in, let's just do Shein like this, and then we can go through each letter of the alphabet and create content. So if we did, let's say, Shein basics like this, I saw one. Look at this, lots of opportunities. Shein basics review. We click on that one. People are ready to buy the product. They just want to confirm. 51,000 views as we saw before. 19,000 subscribers, 54,000 views. Lots of opportunity. 216, we already saw that one. 33,000 views, 1,000 subscribers. So I want you to remember, it doesn't matter the size of audience you have. You have to go out there and create the content. And I'm showing you that you can create this content just by putting in the name of this company, Shein an example, and go through each letter of the alphabet. So we do Q, quality review. People want to know if the product is of good quality. So if we do Shein quality like this, we can talk about if the quality is good. 32,000 views, 18,000 subscribers, 57,000 views, 31,000 subscribers. The subscriber count doesn't matter. What matters is that you create the content, and you can see there's lots of opportunity. And we can do this exact same thing over on TikTok. And TikTok might be a faster way to get traffic. But if we look at this, we'll do, let's go through each letter of the alphabet like this. And let's see, Shein clothing. We're going to click on this one, and we're going to see 8 million views, 1.5 million views, 5.2 million views of people talking about the product and their experience. Lots of views to be had. If you're a woman, and I guess if you're a man, woman, or you have kids and you purchase from this company, I think there's a very good opportunity to be successful with affiliate marketing, and literally anybody can do it. One thing that I saw in here was plus size. We can get rid of that. Plus size like that. So if you are concerned about your weight or your size, once again, 1.5 million views, 63,000 views, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views for everybody. You just need to go out there and create the content. So right now, my recommendations, what I think you should be doing is first apply to join the Shein affiliate program. Then do a little bit of research, whether it's here on YouTube or TikTok, and figure out what your target audience is asking. What do they want to know? You can create the content. Like I mentioned, try-on hauls. We can see plus size haul. We can see press on nails. That's interesting. Let's click on that one. Press on nails. You could create content about their press on nails. What I recommend that you do, if we go back over here to Shein, we can go to women once again, pick a niche. Okay, if you want to talk about sweaters because it's fall, put together a list of the 5 best sweaters that you can buy over on Shein, and then put your affiliate links in the description. or you can even create your own website, which I recommend. Create your own website, and then you can actually promote it. But there are lots of opportunities for these to earn commissions. As if you remember, they pay 10% and they have a 30-day cookie window. Now, the affiliate marketing 101 way is to just grab your affiliate links and put them in the description of your content. The best way to make the most amount of money is actually to start with email marketing. And what you would do is you would offer them a lead magnet or something that they find valuable. For example, maybe you can put together a style guide for fall 2022 or winter 2022 and offer to give that away to your target audience in exchange for their name and their email. Why is this better? Because you can now promote stuff to them all for every season. Okay. Once you have their name and their email, you can send them an email about the best fall fashions. Then you can send them an email about Halloween stuff. I saw they had Halloween stuff. You can send them an email about the newest discounts that they have. They're having an anniversary sale. They're going to have a President's Day sale. They're going to have all of the little sales offered throughout the week and throughout the year, and you can send them emails. So if you want to grow your business and truly make hundreds of dollars per day, you're going to want to first create content in the area, as I mentioned, whether it's with clothing or dresses, men, women, kids, whatever. Then you are going to set up a simple 2-page landing page. That first page is going to say, hey, enter your name and your email address for a fall, winter, spring style guide. Maybe you do all of the seasons at once, so you don't have to keep recreating. You collect their name and their email. Then on the next page, what you can actually do is have an affiliate link go to your favorite things over on this website. And then you can start sending them emails with fashion, the 5 best dresses under $20. Put together your affiliate links, email that out, and then you can start making money. You're going to see exponential growth because the more content you create, the better you'll get at it, the more people you'll get on your mailing list, and the more money that you can make. Watch this video next because YouTube says it is the best video for you.